In a cozy little town, Anthony, a curious boy enamored with history, stumbled upon a mysterious pocket watch in his grandmother's attic. To his amazement, the watch held the magical ability to transport him through time. His first adventure took him to ancient Egypt, where he witnessed the awe-inspiring construction of the pyramids. Anthony immersed himself in the bustling desert, learning about the lives of the workers and even mastering the art of hieroglyphs. As the day unfolded, he marveled at the majestic pyramids against the desert backdrop. Eager for more, Anthony set the watch to the era of the Roman Empire. In the heart of the Colosseum, he witnessed gladiators showcasing bravery and skill. Captivated by their valor, Anthony even befriended a young gladiator, gaining insight into their rigorous training and lifestyle. Back in his room, Anthony reflected on his time travels, filled with exhilaration and newfound knowledge. The next day at school, he excitedly shared his adventures with classmates who listened in awe. Even his teacher commended the vividness and detail of his accounts. Anthony's promise echoed through the corridors of time. His adventures were far from over. With each journey, he delved deeper into history, learning not only about the past but also about himself. The boy with the magical watch became a timeless explorer,